Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the rear brake drum on Suzuki Grand Vitara. The procedure is similar for most Suzuki cars and SUVs, and also on Toyotas. First we need to remove the rear wheel, and that's the drum right there. In order to remove the drum we need to put two bolts in those two holes. We need to get bolts that are the same thread and also the same size as this hole, and we're going to put the bolts on and tighten them. When starting to tighten them, the bolts are going to press on the wheel hub and will make the drum to go forward. So first we're going to tighten the first bolt, then we're going to tighten the second bolt, and then the first bolt again, just so that it's balanced. This way the drum will go out from all sides. I'm going to use a pry bar to hold the drum still, so that it doesn't rotate when I'm tightening the bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We can see that the drum is coming out a little bit, but it's still being held by the brake pads. Now when the drum is almost out, we're going to get a hammer and hammer it a little bit, just so that we get it to get loose, and then we can remove it. And that's the drum loose, and now we can take it out. After removing the drum, we can remove and replace the brake pads or the brake cylinder, and then we can put back the brake drum. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.